Here is how I managed to catch about a 1 to 31 risk reward ratio on Euro AUD right here. So let's go to the higher time frame right there. If you go to the higher time frame on the 4-hour time frame, you're going to realize that there was a nice level on top right here, and this is the level where I was hoping for the price to come to before I can actually take this trade. And you can clearly see that I should share this trade setup with our private community right here. I wanted price to come to that level. Unfortunately, have you ever wondered which one is our preferred broker at M&A Forex Traders? Well, wonder no more. Morgan Market is our preferred trading broker for Forex. So here are the reasons why you should be able to trade on their platform. All right. They offer up to 1 to 500 leverage. Their minimum deposit is only $50. The sign up process is quick and easy. They offer 24/7 client support. They have tight spreads, no slippage. Guess what? Their deposits are instant via crypto, fast withdrawals, and over 200 tradable assets. So check the first link in the description and sign up with them right now and get trading. The market didn't pull up all the way to that side, but something happened on the 15 minutes time frame. So if you come here, you're going to realize that on the lower time frame, we also had a rally test. Drop supply zone, break of structure, and then we had liquidity, which was taken out right here. And the market came to this rally based drop supply zone, by a beautiful entry, and then the market dropped right here. And this was absolutely amazing. The other thing that caused me to actually take this trade was the fake out of the Asian range. So the Asian range was taken out right here, which gave me confidence to actually execute this trade right here. And the trade ended up going 1 to 31 risk reward ratio and about 140 in profits right here. This was absolutely amazing. So what can you learn from here? Don't be rigid. The market is not cannot be predicted. That's because you think the market is going to come to this level. I mean that the market is going to come to that particular level. So always remain flexible, be willing to change, and take advantage of the opportunities that the market gives you, because that's what happens. The market is random, so there's no way for us to know that the market is going to come to this level. The market gives you an opportunity, grab it, because you don't know what's going to happen next. All right. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. If you'd like to trade the way I trade, the links are down in the description. Check it out for lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. All right. Next time.